Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand the first value and the last value in the analytical functions. Let's understand. We'll start with the first value. So if I want the first value, basically first salary over, and I want to do the partition by department number, order by salary, say descending. So in the descending order of salary, I want the first value. Let's see the output. As you can see, in the descending order, I'm getting 5,000. In case of research, we are getting 3,000. In case of sales, we are getting 2850, which is the first value. Even in the first value, it is very important that you put the windowing clause. Now the default windowing clause is range between unbounded, preceding, and current row. Since we were including the current row, hence we got the correct value. Otherwise, we would have got the incorrect value. For first value, this works fine because the current row is included even for the first record. But you can define your own windowing clause as per your needs. You can create your own frame and then you can have the first value. Now let's move on to the last value. I want last value of salary over, again, by department. So I have this department name. Again, I'll do order by salary descending. What is the last value in the descending order of salary? So in this case, we first put the correct windowing clause. So when I say last value by department, right? So the first value of the department and the last value of the department needs to be defined. So how you can define it? Rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. So this is my windowing clause here. This is last 12. Now let me run this output. As you can see here, my last value is 1300 in the accounting department. In case of research, it is 800. It is I'm getting 800. And in case of sales, it is 950. That is I'm getting 950. Now suppose if I don't put the windowing clause, what will happen? It will take default windowing clause. And what is my default windowing clause? Range between unbounded, preceding, and current row. So in case of default windowing clause, you will get the incorrect value. Why will you get the incorrect value? Let's understand this. Say for accounting department, right? I am at row number 5000. I want the last value. The last value is 1300. But what is going to happen? Unbounded preceding means before 5000, there is nothing. So null. Now, current row is 5000. It never reaches to these two values because my frame is only this current row. In case of 2450, it will be only these two values. So you will get 5000 for 5000. For 2450, I will get 5000 basically. Sorry, 2450 because I am looking at the last value in the descending order of salary. Let's check that. Yeah, as you can see, this is how it is working. So we are getting incorrect value. See, even here, the value is changing. By the time it reaches the actual last row, only then you get the correct value. The other rows are returning incorrect value. So this is the problem with the default windowing clause. You have to be very agile about this and take care of this windowing clause. Thank you so much. This was all about the first value and the last value in the analytical queries. Thank you so much.